Hey guys, welcome to this weekly analysis report. In today's video, I'm going to break down some of the sectors we are expecting to take place in probabilities in this week. This is pounds against US dollar. This is daily time frame. As you can see clearly that since last year, GU has been buying. GU has been giving us a bullish movement whereby if you draw your trend line from the trough to the next trough, you can see that GU has been giving us a bullish structure since last year, whereby we have series of higher high, higher low, 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 higher high, higher low. Then price got to this place and gave us equal high. The market has giving us a reversal pattern at the end of the bullish movement. As you can see clearly now, we've gotten a double top at the end of the bullish movement that signify that now the sellers are back in the game. This double top broke this uptrend line here to start the downtrend line. Since the uptrend line here has been broken, now you can see that the market on Gpbusd has been giving us a high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We're expecting a lower low here, give us a retest, then continuation of the downtrend, give us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. That is what we're expecting in this week in probabilities. I do tell people all the time that you can only analyze the market in probabilities. It is the market that has the final say. This is what I want to do. But what we are expecting in this coming week is that we are expecting more of sell opportunity, because the market has already given us a double top here that signifies the beginning of a downtrend, that the sellers are back in the game. Now the current structure of the market now is we have high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We're expecting a lower low here, then give us a pullback or retest to give us a lower high for the continuation of the down trend. Now, as a price action trader, the first thing you have to figure out the direction of the market. Are we in a bullish or a bearish market? Now the answer to our question here is that we're in a downtrend market. Now this is the last support level. This is the last key level that got broken last week. Since this support level has been broken, we're expecting the probability market to give us a retest back into this major key level, serving as a resistance, then for the continuation of the downtrend, for the continuation of the bearish movement. We're expecting market to come down to this support level. This is our target. This analysis on the daily time frame. Now, since this we've already figured out our major key level serving as a resistance on the daily time frame, this place is serving as our point of interest. This place is serving as our point of interest, our POI, where we are looking for sell opportunity. Like I do tell people, if we are in a downtrend, don't stress yourselves. You don't have any business with any buy setups. You should focus 100% more on sell setups, because where the market is telling us that we are in a downtrend. Now what we are expecting is the market to give us a pullback into this POI, then we shut down to this next support from the daily view analysis. Now let's see what our 4 hours time frame is talking about. You can see our 4 hours time frame now. Now this is a major level where we are expecting to short this market next week. We are expecting market to give us a pullback down to this place. Then we place our order here. Place our order. We're expecting to reach about 20 pips. 20 pips to make about over 260 pips. That is huge. As you all know, no signal, no entry. If market come back to this zone, give us a pullback to this zone here, we should be expecting price reaction. We should be expecting more of price action. We should wait patiently for price to talk to us. We should wait for more weak rejections, more of bearish candlestick signal, We should wait for more of pin bar, doji, shooting star, evening star, bearish engulfing around this zone. If price come to this zone and we are unable to see any signal, we are not going to enter the trade. We are not going to enter any position. The rule is no signal, no entry. This is what I'm expecting on GU in this week. I want GU to give me a pullback down to this place. I want GU to give me a pullback back into this major level. Then my next target should be the next support major level as my final take profit. As a price action trader, 1 hour is our entry time frame. Should be expecting a price reaction around this one, price to give us reaction, weak rejection, more of candlesticks, signal here that signify the presence of the sellers. That is what I'm expecting on GU. The next pair that I'm watching this week is AUD. You can see AUD as well is bearish, and you can see on AUD US dollar, price has given us head, shoulder, and another shoulder here. Then we have another shoulder around this place. This is a clear bearish reversal pattern. Now the neckline of this head and shoulder has been broken. The neckline has been broken around this major level. This place was acting as a support. Since market has broken it, now we're expecting a pullback or a retest back into the neckline of this head and shoulder that start the beginning of the downtrend on AUD US dollar for the continuation of the downtrend. That is what I'm expecting on AUD US dollar. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. As you can see clearly on the 4 hours time frame, what we are expecting the 4 hours time frame is for price to give us a pullback back into this zone here. Then we place our order. We target the next support level. Where is the next support level in this space? Our next target to be, as a day trader, our next target to be around this major support level. This one will be our final target, while this place will be our first target. This zone here is going to be our first target in this place. Like I told you, no signal, no entry. We're expecting a pullback down. Anything can happen in the market. It is market that has the final say. We are only analyzing in probability. This is the zone where I'm expecting a sell opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. This will be my first target, while this next support will be my second target. These are the two pairs that I'm watching out for this week, where I'm looking out for more of sell opportunity, because we can see clearly that we are in a downtrend.